Hello guys, it is another beautiful morning and I just wake up early in the morning. Even I haven't had anything for my stomach. I haven't drink any water, any drink, any tea. And for the couple of 2 months that have passed, it hasn't been easy for us. It has been hard since our close down of our studio. We closed down our studio because landlord wanted us to pay, and we haven't even worked in that month. Also, the studio, been having a studio for 1 year and 5 months in this village. It hasn't been easy. It has been so hard. The studio wasn't well paying. It wasn't paying for its rent. We were just getting jobs from outside and doing the rent for it. So we decided to close it down. Just to be honest, our studio in this village doesn't make money how it's supposed to be. So we need to move our studio from the village to a close place to the city, because close to the city, that dog, it makes a bad sound. Those are baby dogs. Sorry for that. This is my village, as you can see. As I was saying, we need to move closer to the city, and to do that we need a couple of coins, couple of money to move, to have rent, apart from having rent, to have like 3-month rent in advance. And that won't be easy for us to raise that money. At the moment, even we don't have even coins. We don't know how we can do that. So to pick my friend called Kevin, we are going to Nakuru town, where we'll be Nakuru city. We are going there to look for clients. If we can get clients for clothes, for cars, for fashion, for products, and for people. We are going to give them some flyers and posters, because it is outdated, but that is the way to get direct to the client, and asking them for some jobs if they can give us, so that we can make a good money to move our studio. As I'm saying, I'm going to pick my friend down here. He lives down the other side of the. As you can see, people build a settlement here. People build good houses in this place because the stones are cheap also. Because one block is like 20 shillings to 40 shillings, so it doesn't pass there, not like in another place. So I'm going down the hill. Kevin stays somewhere there. My friend stays somewhere there. He's more than a friend. He's like a brother to me, because we have grown together and we want to build ourselves together. This thing, it requires teamwork. Before, you cannot do it alone. You have to have friends. You have to have people, a team, and one person is not enough for a team, but we are trying. One day we might have over 10,000 or 1,000. Oh, I forgot. We have 4,000. You who was watching this video, you know you're our team by liking this video and commenting and subscribing. Yeah. Hey, that was our ride. Now we want to go in this mall to look for a job inside here. Initially, after target market, our first target market is this mall. So that is KFC. So our service in this mall look like.
Kukotea. Hii kutoka Nairobi. Kai kwa Nairobi kwa